Phillips Norelco Series 5000 head cleaning, so it saves you $20 or $40. Let's get into this, okay? If you're shaving, but nothing's really happening, this stuff is full of junk in here, even after you put it through the water and ran hot water and stuff like that. Inside this stuff, you won't be able to see out through it. That's how you know it's time for cleaning, okay? So here's how you do it. It's super simple. All right, you pop this off. Pop. Come on, pop. Whoa. Trying to do it one-handed, and then you open this, push the button, and then you gently separate the top and the bottom, okay, just like that. Move over, and here's what we got. Okay, we got 3 sets of 3, okay, and you see here the blue stuff has some arrows right there, and it's got some raised things with like some arrow geometric pattern, but you want to follow the direction of the arrows, put your fingers on both sides, and just give it a little click like that. Very simple. This pops off, okay, don't lose it. Don't do this in front of it over a sink or something like that. You never know what's going to happen. This thing here is what actually cuts, so just turn this over like that. This will separate. This thing here is really, really sharp. Be careful. And, yeah, you know, there's some hair here. Yours will be, mine was so full of junk. I imagine yours will too. It's going to be so gross. But anyway, once it's clean, it works brand new. And like I've had this for like 4 years, never had a problem with it after I learned how to clean it, okay? So just pull out all the hair and junk and crap like that out, and you're good to go. And then do that for the other 2 things like that. It took me about 5 minutes the first time. It took me a long time to figure out how to put this back together, but it's pretty simple. Okay, so see here. Focus. There's a little wingtip, a little silver wingtip right there, and right there. And the way to do it is to line this up. There's 2 little wingtip holes that it goes into right there. There you go. See? Like that. You'll feel it flop into place. Turn the blades over and then put it in there. Okay. And then this thing, you line it up. Same thing. This little blue thing has a couple of wingtip there that you also line up in the same thing. So flip it over so you can see the arrows. And let's see. Let's line it up. It's upside down. Here it goes. Hard to do one-handed. You have 2 hands. Okay, so just pop this in, and then pick this up. It won't work if it's on the thing. And instead of going the arrow direction, you're going to go the opposite of the arrow direction. Let me see if I can do it one finger. I did it earlier. Yeah, hear that click? You'll feel that click in, and you're good to go. Okay, and boom. Attach this thing to this thing. See if we can do it one-handed. Nope. Anyway, just put this thing in the thing. Just be gentle. Close it up, and you are good to go. So that is that. That's how to clean that, and then it works brand new. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.